Okay. Documenting.
Fucking hiccups, dude. The fucking hiccups.
Let me scoot over.
Oh my god.
It's documenting.
What? It's the Porcelain Express.
It's the porcelain god.
The
porcelain.
I think I might throw up.
It's okay, B. I got you. I'll hold your hand. I'll hold your hand.
Oh, you got me, B.
I got you, B.
Why do I have the hiccups? You're contagious. You gave me the fucking hiccups, Brittany.
I'm just gonna say
that. There's a fucking diaper in the trash can. What the fuck?
There's 2 diapers.
Dude, who has a baby? Hiccups, dude. She gave me the hiccup.
I did.
I might throw up. General warning, this is rated R, not PG-13. I don't... Oh my god, my big shit. I'm the biggest fucking pussy ever.
No, you're not. Shut up.
I used to be able to drink.
What are the queen bees?
I would hold your hair if you puke.
I would hold your hair if you puke. Oh!
Oh my god, I'm doing shit. Hey, Porcelain Express, what's up? How many asses have been on this? Probably a lot. There have been a lot of asses on this.
What?
There have been a lot of asses on this. But if I'm gonna have sex, I gotta not puke. I'm just kidding. And he's like, take me out. And I'm like, I can't. I don't want to puke on your dick. Oh, God. Hey, dude, there's fucking lint. What's that hair? Fuck, there's lint.
Hair.
It thinks like, oh my god, that is hair. Dude, she shaved her head. That's why. She's a lesbian. Yes, she is a lesbian. Dude, some of my armpits, I smell like a dude now. I put dude deodorant on. I really think I need to puke. I'm interested in what color it would be. What did I have to eat today? Oh, it'd be Buffalo Wild Wings color.
I was gonna say onions and ketchup.
B-dub. B-dub. You Buffalo.
Beat up from the beat up.
Beat up. It'd be honey barbecue wings.
Ow, my ankle.
Oh, I heard that too. Maybe I should sit myself through it. What if I'm in throw up and then I feel better? And like seriously, once I throw up,
That's
I'm
what I
good.
always do.
And I brush my teeth. There's mouth sore rinse. Who has herpes? Fuck.
Mouth sore rinse?
Orajel.
What?
Look it.
Orajel mouth sore rinse. Who the fuck is that shit? Oh my fucking god.
You're not gone. Alright, I think I'm gonna make myself throw up. Okay. Whoa. She's like, back away. Dude, just like censor the vomit. comment.
Okay.
PG-13. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna myself throw up.
This is PG-13. Cannot watch this.
Ew. Dude, I hate throwing up. I fucking hate throwing up, but I know I feel better.
Yes.
Okay? Ew. I can't stop hiccuping. How am I supposed to throw up if I'm still hiccuping? That totally smells like jizz. It's the Person Express, ready?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna use the filter as the gear shift. Oh shit, I'm in reverse now. We go forward again. Use the plunger. Use the plunger.
You're gonna laugh at this shit tomorrow.
I'm not laughing because I think I have to puke. If I want to get ass tonight, I have to puke. Because I don't want to puke on someone while they're, you know, R-rated. I don't even know how to make it R. It's R, it's sign language, right? R. Alright, okay, I'm gonna do this shit. Dude, that was fucking boss. Dude, you're fucking beast. Alright. Yucky. Puking is just not hot, dude. I don't think I'm gonna puke, even though I really want to. I just feel it in my stomach.
Just keep doing it over and over and over again.
Gross.
I know. I do this too, baby girl. If I have to puke, I do it.
Yucky.
Yucky.
My eyes are watering. Oh, fuck. Ew, that tastes gross. That tastes gross. Ew, I'm pretty sure I can eat more than that. Ew. Ew. Ew, don't look at it, don't look at it, don't look at it! It's gross looking, it's pink. No, it's brown, just kidding. I know I have to puke, I know I have to, I know I have to, I know I have to. Or maybe I don't. Ew, it's spit Maybe that's all I have to puke. I don't know what that was.
Housekeeping. Want me to jack you up?
Your odds of index.
What?
Your odds of index.
Funny. That wasn't me, that was Brittany.
That was fucking nasty.
I puked. It was yummy looking.
That's hot, baby.
Isn't it? It's hot, baby.
Stomach,
I'm gonna puke on your stomach.
baby. Yeah, it's hot. Hey, you guys go.
Yeah, can you get my toothbrush and my toothpaste out of my bag?
Sure. Which bag's yours?
Zebra print.
Zebra print.
Zebra print. It's a pink toothbrush and a big bottle of toothpaste.
Are you still recording this shit?
Yeah.
Apparently.
That's
I was
awesome.
driving the
Yes,
Porcelain Express.
Yeah,
and
and she was.
the plunger was my gear shift.
That's sexy. Okay.
Aren't you so turned on right now?
Oh, totally turn on.
I mean, really.
Jim, do you want me to send your friend home?
Huh?
Eugene.
Sure.